Hello students of class 10. Today we will continue from the planetary winds and we will start today from westerlies. In last video we had done what are Farrell's law, different about discussion about trade wind, etc. Okay, so in this video we will start from westerlies. Westerlies are those winds that blows from subtropical high to subpolar low pressure belt in both the hemisphere. So which are westerlies wind? The westerlies are those winds that blows from subtropical high to subpolar low pressure belt in both the hemisphere. Why they are called westerlies? As they blows from west, they are called westerlies. So the wind that blows from west are called westerlies. Okay. The westerlies, the velocity of westerlies are very high in the southern hemisphere as compared to the northern hemisphere, because in the southern hemisphere there is wide and open ocean, and in that wide open ocean the wind moves with high velocity and speed. But in the northern hemisphere there are obstructions, and so the velocity of the wind decreases in the northern hemisphere. Westerlies are also two types. One is southwest westerlies in the southern hemisphere. One is northwest westerlies in the northern hemisphere. Okay, southwest westerlies in the northern hemisphere, northeast west westerlies in the southern hemisphere. Now, westerlies are also known as brave west wind. In the southern hemisphere, the westerlies wind blows with high velocity and speed because of the presence of open ocean. So, the wind are known as brave west wind. Westerlies are named differently in different latitudes. At 40 degrees south, it is called roaring 40s. 40s. At 50 degrees south, furious 50s. At 60 degrees south, it is known as screaming 60s. So, these are the different names of westerlies at different latitudes. At 40 degrees south, it is called roaring 40s. At 50 degrees south, it is called furious 50s. And 60 degrees south, it is called screaming 60s. Now, in westerlies, in case of westerlies, in the southern hemisphere, because of the presence of wide open ocean, the velocity of the wind is very, very high. So, at 40 degrees south, it's the wind velocity is so high as if the wind is roaring. Okay. At 50 degrees south, it becomes so terrific, it is called furious 50s. And at 60 degrees south, it is known as screaming 60s. Screaming means shouting in a loud voice. Okay. When the wind move or blow in high velocity, it makes sound. So, it is known as screaming 60s. Here, you have to frame the differences between trade wind and westerlies. Okay. Now, next is polar wind. The polar winds are those winds that blows from subpolar high to subpolar low pressure belt in both the hemisphere. There are also two types, northeast polar wind and southeast polar wind. These polar winds are bitterly cold wind and it brings terrific low, it drops down the temperature very fast. Okay. Next we are moving to the next part, that is the periodic wind. Periodic wind, from the term periodic winds are those winds that blow in a particular period, that is in a particular time of the month or particular time of the day or particular time of the year. Okay, that comes in a particular time. Example of periodic winds are the monsoon wind, the land breeze and the sea breeze. These are the three types of periodic winds: monsoon wind, land breeze and sea breeze. Now, we are going to one by one about each. So, what is monsoon wind? The monsoon wind, the word monsoon has been derived from the Arabic word mausim, meaning season. are seasonal wind that come in a particular season. Okay, monsoon wind comes in a particular season. This season means which season they come? They comes in the rainy season. Monsoon winds brings maximum rainfall in our country. Monsoon winds brings maximum rainfall in our country. Monsoon winds are of two types, the northeast monsoon and the southwest monsoon. The northeast monsoon comes during the winter season and the southeast monsoon winds comes during the rainy season and brings maximum rainfall in our country. Now, the summer monsoon and the winter monsoon. So, these are the two types. One is the southwest monsoon that comes during the summer season. One is the northeast monsoon that comes during the winter season. Southwest monsoon are again divided into two branches rather. These two branches are the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch enters India from Arabian Sea side and the Bay of Bengal branch enters India from the Bay of Bengal side. The southwest monsoon comes during the summer season from sea to land, so they brings enough rainfall in our country. And the northeast monsoon wind blows from land to sea during winter. As they blows from land towards the sea, there is no moisture in the air. The air is dry. So, as the air is dry, there is no such moisture in the air, and so winter is dry in our country. This is all about monsoon. You have to read that about in detail. And monsoon winds is a very important wind that brings rainfall in our country. Indian climate mainly depends on monsoon for the arrival of rainfall. Okay, monsoon winds first arrive in the Indian subcontinent from the Arabian, means from Andaman and Nicobar Island side, and it enters the rest of India and brings rainfall. Okay, so India expects maximum rainfall from monsoon wind. Okay, so in next video we will start land breeze and sea breeze. Thank you class.